Hi friends, it's me Norma again. I'm gonna deep clean my living room. I'm gonna clean the couches. I'm gonna vacuum and wash the carpets. Fingers crossed, and get it all done. I've been up since 5:45. It's now 11:45. I have found absolutely everything and every way to procrastinate. I've watched YouTube videos, I listened to music, I put on some makeup. Just don't want to do it, but I'm gonna get started. All right, this is where we are at. I really want to focus on the bookshelves. I bought some really cute decorations from Michael's. Late summer is what I'm calling it. Mostly sunflowers and some yellow because I wasn't ready for full-on pumpkin. So here we go. I started with the couches. It was a struggle trying to get my dog off of her favorite spot, but she finally moved. And so I took off all the cushions, vacuumed everything. It really needed it. Give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. How often do you clean your couches? A real good deep clean with removing the cushions and all that. Once a week, once a month. I usually do it. I try to do it once a month, but I had let it go. Since I have dogs, I feel like I should do it way much more often though. And I've come out here to say that I love you. It's amazing the gross stuff that you find when you remove the cushions. And here I'm just sprinkling some of that Arm & Hammer carpet powder stuff. Not sure what it's called, but it helps to get the doggy smell out of the couch. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold. And then I give my area rug a good vacuum. I want to vacuum it, make sure it's really clean before I start the shampooer. And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I have this sped up pretty fast because this was quite an adventure getting this living room deep cleaned. I actually had to film it over a few days, but I don't know if you can see if I slow it down enough ever so that you can see how dark that water was. It is kind of embarrassing. And then I vacuumed again before I start mopping. More vacuuming. And I've come out here to say that I love you. So I'm dusting the ceiling fan. Just a word of advice: when you're cleaning, always start at the top, because I had already washed the carpet. This is actually the next day. So I'd already washed the carpet and vacuumed the couch when I remembered to clean the ceiling fan, and then all the dust from the ceiling fan just kind of sprinkled all over both the carpet and the couch. So I had to vacuum again. Now comes the fun part, the bookshelves. So it had been a while since I took everything off and dusted everything. I kind of dust around, move things around, but I don't remove everything and like really clean it. So I decided to do that today. And now I'm putting the decorations back up and kind of rearranging everything. I know I have my favorites that I wanted to put up before I added the seasonal stuff. And decorating is trial and error. You just kind of gotta see how things look, put it up, take a step back, and then try it again. But I'm pretty happy with the way everything turned out. But what I wasn't really happy with was the TV stand. Since the bookshelves on the side are white, I think it just looked kind of weird with the dark color wood bookshelf. It was actually, not a TV stand. It was actually something that the builder had made, and it was the wrong size for the kitchen. And so he just left it, and we purposed it into a TV stand. But since I wasn't happy, I ran to Ikea to see what I could find, and I bought these Kallax, I think that's how you pronounce it. Their names are so different. So here I am putting it all together. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping. I really was amazed about how easy it was to put together. I have one of these. I put one together before for my office. But Ikea just makes everything so simple. I really like shopping at Ikea. I have really been satisfied with everything that I've purchased there. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. And that's it. So easy to put together and very sturdy. So I'm just emptying out the old cabinet, taking everything, all the junk that I had accumulated, taking all that out, and then I'll replace that with the new.
It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all
And I bought these wicker baskets to put in the bottom cubbies. Didn't know that you would have to screw them together. But again, it wasn't complicated, very easy to do, just took a little bit of time. And that's the way everything turned out. I'm so happy. It just made such a big difference just from switching from a brown cabinet to a white. And I really like the way those wicker baskets looked. And here's a close-up of how I decorated the bookshelves. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel and I appreciate it.